Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Anaconda distribution. In this video, we will learn what is Anaconda distribution, how to download and install Anaconda distribution into your local machines. You are about to start a new journey, right? In most of our journeys, we carry a luggage with us, and the items that we keep inside our luggage varies with the nature of our journey. Isn't it so? The luggage may contain our dresses, books, plates, and you can add any number of items to this list. Here we are going to see the different items or tools you need to carry in your data science journey. In this journey, you have to collect, analyze, and visualize data from many different sources, like the website, files, or even databases. And you need appropriate tools for all these activities. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution consists of more than 250 packages. It is a one-stop shop where you get all the tools you want in your data science journey. Let's see how Anaconda can be downloaded and installed in your machines. We will also see Jupyter Notebook and Spyder as part of Anaconda distribution. Let's open a Google page and type Anaconda. First link will take you to the website of Anaconda. So it is anaconda.com. Let's click on the products. So you can see different options. Go to individual edition. So here you can find the download button. Click on that. It shows you all the options starting with Windows, Mac to Linux. And here in this video, we will learn how to install it in Windows platform. There are two options, 64-bit as well as 32-bit. My computer is a 64-bit computer. So let me click on the 64-bit option and install it. You can close this window. Now it starts downloading. Yes, the downloading is completed. You can access the exe file. It will be available in the downloads folder. Just double click and open. So click next. Agree. And choose the just me option. Click next. So this process will take some time. Just wait for the installation to get completed. Now the installation is completed. Click next. Go ahead. Click next again. And finish. Now see how can you open the installed version of Anaconda. To open the installed Anaconda distribution, just go to the search bar and type Anaconda. You can see an Anaconda Navigator. Just open Anaconda Navigator. You can see the application starting. Alright. Now you can see a number of options. So we will be discussing in detail about two things, Jupyter and Spyder. So let's click on Jupyter. Click on the launch button. So now you can see Jupyter. It is open. Let's see whether it is working or not. So if you see it working, then the installation is perfect. So let's click on New and choose Python 3. And here you can, in this particular tab, you can type a simple Python command. So it is print. So I'm typing, I have successfully installed So I have successfully installed Anaconda in my machine. So we feeling happy? Yes, feeling so happy. Alright. And let's click on the play button or run button so you can see the output, which means that the installation of Jupyter is perfect. So you have done a good job. So let's come back and open Spyder. So launch Spyder. We will discuss about both Jupyter and Spyder in detail. So here we are just checking whether it is installed properly or not. Just click on the launch. You can see Spyder is getting loaded. Alright. So you can see one window. Just clear the screen. Alright. So I'm again typing print, the same print statement I have written in Jupyter. I have successfully installed Anaconda. Alright, so let me stop at this, and here you have a different play button. So let me format it correctly. Alright, the quotation mark, yeah, let me fix it. Yeah, so click on the play button. Yes, click on run. So now on the right side you can see I have successfully, so the print statement is getting printed, which means that your installation is perfectly fine. So you installed Anaconda distribution, and now you can access all the different tools available in Anaconda. Yes, that is all about this video. We completed the installation of Anaconda in Windows. See you in the next video.